Okay, just go ahead and do it. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. But look at these locks. Like how natural, how freaking natural looking are they? Book your appointment. I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. I got you. Ain't no going back now. Look. A true boho lock. True boho lock. What the heck? Excuse my neighbor if you can hear him. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. Oh my god. Can y'all hear that? Oh my god, y'all. My hair actually took up like half of the lock, so it's like down here. Oh my god. Okay, so I look like a whole dude when I do this, but it's kind of cute. Okay. The thing is, okay, so it's Sunday morning. I wear wigs majority of the time, and my hair was getting long. So at this point, like my hair was so thick to where my wigs just wouldn't lay right. And of course, I'm braiding my hair myself. My arms hurt, and it already takes forever for me to braid my hair. So I'm just like, bruh, I'm gonna just go ahead and just cut it off where it's short. And just throw my wig on. Like, that's the easiest way to do it. I mean, not that I'm trying to be lazy, because I'm all about hair care and everything, but it's just like, I don't need it. I just feel like oh my God. I feel like I don't need hair at all. I don't need it at all. It's not something that's like truly important to me right now. I just don't want to go to work with my hair like this, only because like I said, I don't wear makeup to work, so. Excuse my armpits. The struggle of being dark skinned and using natural deodorant. I don't know why natural deodorant do that. Y'all. Bruh. Why is my phone doing that? Okay. This is crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. Look. Oh my gosh. Ain't no going back, Nassies. Oh, pay attention to Kia. Like, do I even need to go through with the clippers? That's going to be the crazy part. Because I don't know how that's going to come out. I never used these clippers before. They aren't even clippers, they're trimmers. Like little babies. I really hope y'all can hear me. I feel like at this point I'm cutting bald spots. Because I don't know. Okay, so I think I'm going to just come back when I'm done cutting these out so y'all can see the finished results, so y'all have to watch everything. Y'all, I took out my earbuds because my neighbor is gone. So yes, this is my hair, y'all. Why does that keep happening when I drink this? I like it. It's cute. It's just I am a little bit stressed out about. I need the whole beginning of this video without having the ring light on. I just realized that, but oh well. I am worried about. I don't know if I should just leave it like this or what. Well, I'm cutting my hair against the grain, which I shouldn't be doing, but. Oh, my hair is so dirty. Oh.